Hello everyone. Today I crafted an interactive IPL 2024 Orange Cap analysis dashboard on Power BI. I created this dataset by extracting data from various websites. In this dashboard, the key insights include stat bar chart to display top scores by total runs, average, and strike rate, a table to display detailed player statistics, line chart to display runs scored over matches, scatter chart to display strike rate and average by player name, high score by player name using clustered bar chart, pie chart to display boundary distribution, which is 4 versus 6, Treemap to display total runs by team, slices to filter based on player and team, 5 cards to display total boundaries, average strike rate, total runs, 6 total sixes, and total fours. Let us first start with player. I would like to start from Mitchell. Comes to Mitchell, you can see total runs scored. Team CSK total runs scored 318 in 13 matches, 13 innings. Highest score 63. Average with average of 28.91, 250s, 24 fours, and 10 sixes. And when it comes to teams, let us start with Mumbai Indians. You can see total runs by team is 2,410, sixes of 133 and 214 fours. If we look here, Rohit Sharma, total runs by Rohit Sharma 114 with average of 32.8, strike rate of 150. And it's Tilak Verma with 416 runs, the average of 41.60, strike rate of 149.64. Here we can see runs scored over matches. You can see on the second match 10 runs, third match 71. We click on here, you can see 166 runs. Just there are totally 14 matches. Runs scored, here we can see runs scored over matches. Then I by Rohit Sharma 417 in 14 matches. You can see that. And when it comes to high score by player name, Marcus Stoinis stands first with 124. And another player, let us filter based on Prithviraj Gaikwad. You can see average strike rate of 141.16, total runs of 583, 18 sixes, 158 fours. Sikandar Raza 43, you can see total runs 43. And the next I have included a button, narration button, which says across all 14 match runs ranged from 140 to 9,156. Total runs and total average are negatively correlated with each other. Luke Wood had the highest strike rate 300 and Virat Kohli had the highest average 64.36. That's all about my IPL 2024 Orange Cap analysis. Thank you.